What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? This is Gliding on 2's channel. The host is me, of course, Nori. Hey, I'm just out and about, doing a little ride. I felt like getting out on the bike and, I'm going to go check out this other lake that I have around me. It's called Lake Monticello. And I figured I'd take you all along with me on this ride. It ain't gonna be a long one. I'll make sure I cut it down. But yeah, sometimes I come out to this lake, just to gather my thoughts, because it's a nice quiet lake area. They do some boating there, fishing and whatnot, and come out there solo sometimes and just gather your thoughts. You need to do that every now and then. At least that's what I say. Be by yourself and gather your thoughts. I also come out to this lake with the group of buddies that I ride with. We come out here, we fellowship. Sometimes we get out here, we barbecue, and one of the buddies, of course, we got a portable little grill there. We ride out here on our bikes, barbecue, fellowship. Then we head on out. So I figured I'd just ride up here and let you enjoy some of the scenery, and maybe I'll give you some more details on this lake once I get there. So until then, sit back and then enjoy the video and enjoy the music. I'll see you when I get there. I've made it here. As you can see me coming on in. Got the eye in the sky watching me. Coming on in. There's a couple boaters out here. Not too bad. I see a boat out there. But yeah, coming on in to Lake Monticello. Let's see if I can get a good parking spot. Whoop, whoop. Lake Monticello is located in Jenkinsville, South Carolina, and was built in 1978 to provide cooling water for a nuclear reactor that's actually built right next to it. The lake is approximately 90 feet deep, 6.5 miles long, and 2.5 miles wide. It's also known for its famous catfishing, as the biggest catfish that was caught here weighed in at 60 pounds. Not only does this lake provide 4 boat ramps for your anglers, it also houses a small recreational park, making this lake more appealing to your local day trippers with children. Well, I'm back here out on the bike after filming Lake Monticello. I'm going to see what else I get myself into today, but this is where I leave you all. So, I hope you enjoyed what I recorded today and what I had to show you all today. A little bit of history on Lake Monticello. And with that being said, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my ride, and I hope that you all enjoy your ride.